What's up, everybody? Alexander Fibonacci, the day trading champ. And if you've been wanting to trade Amazon, but your account is too small, you don't have the funds to trade the options, I'm going to show you exactly how you can work around that and how you can profit off of how Amazon moves. Make sure you watch the whole video, you'll understand it, and you'll start making profits off of Amazon. Alright guys, so the problem with Amazon contracts for a smaller trader is, say you think that Amazon's going to drop 90 points, right? That's a pretty significant move. So you think it's going to drop 90 points next week and you're like, alright, let me get the 3,200 strike. Well, that's $4,000 right there. Now with a $2,000 account, you can't afford that. So knowing this, you know what's going to happen to Amazon. You feel like you're missing out on the profits. Well, guys, that's why I got this one trick for you, and it's knowing the simple correlation between Amazon and these other cloud stocks. That's the thing, guys. People don't even know that. People think Amazon's some crazy tech stock. It's actually a cloud stock, guys. So you look at what other cloud stocks are there. Now here's just a little cloud stock watch list I got. We got WDay, CRM, SPLK, OKTA. So these are going to be these higher price, in the 200s. So these are going to be some nice valued contracts for you that you can afford with the $2,000 account. So say you think Amazon is going to drop 90 points. Well, you could target a 5-point move on SPLK, right? So, the contracts here on SPLK are worth $4, right? So that's $400. So say you go with that strike, now you can get 5 of those contracts for $2,000. So it's not that this will necessarily be more profitable, in percentage returns, most likely it'll still be the same, but that's the problem, is you couldn't even target those percentage returns. You couldn't even make money on the Amazon contracts because your account size was too small. So now, knowing this, you can now trade Amazon, but there's just a little catch, is you just got to trade the other cloud stocks because they move the same way. Watch this. Cloud stocks are up crazy in the last 5 months, right? Same with Amazon. Amazon is a cloud stock. Now look at this, 3 down days for Amazon. Same with WDay. So they're all at their summits. They're at the tops, and you see that they move the same way right now, right? So now you know this, and it's a super easy trick I wanted to put out there. I'm not going to drag out the video or anything, but now, you stick around the channel, you make sure you're subscribed so you get the market analysis and understand what's going to happen coming this next week. And then if I say, hey guys, look, this is a great Amazon trade next week, you go, oh, well, my account maybe not be big enough for an Amazon trade, but you know what? Alexander said that I can take a SPLK trade and it should be the same, right? And they do. Look at this. You get a huge wick coming out the bottom there for Amazon. And same thing with SPLK. They move the same. Study the charts yourself and you'll see it if you don't see it here. And yeah, come to your own conclusions, of course, at the end of the day. Take your own trades and make sure you know what you're doing. But guys, simple correlation I thought I'd show you. It's going to be the Amazon Cloud Stock correlation for new traders. So guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope, you enjoy this little 3-minute video. I could have dragged it out for 10 minutes, 20 minutes like these other YouTubers will do, but I want to just teach you a little thing in the shortest amount of time possible. So I hope you get it. If you have any extra questions or you want me to, maybe explain more intricacies or these little things about it, let me know in the comments, and also let me know if there's anything you want me to make a video about. I'd be more than happy to. Guys, with that being said, I'm the day trading champ, Alexander Fibonacci. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.